Well, hello. So I was speaking with this very smart guy, and one of the things he has to do is identify the area of roof planes. Excuse me. So I did it all off camera just to make sure I understood what I was doing. And now I'm going to show you what I did. I just built a building and told it to auto roof. It's 8 and 12. And the way to get that information, I've never needed it, but he said that you could do it through custom schedules. So I came down here, did a custom schedule, and then in the schedule itself, you double click it, and starting in general, you name it what you want. So we could do like roof. Whoa, come on now. Why are we not? Roof planes. Sure, it doesn't really matter, right? Then you scroll down here to roof planes, and you get these options. And this is the default, so let's just build it and see what it says. Oh, well, we're not done yet, though. I want to see, I want to display total rows, but since it doesn't exist right now, it's not going to show me anything. Number formatting, don't need attributes. This, sure, whatever. Line style. I need to have a universal make everything black or grayscale. No fill. Main text, 4.5, all caps. Title text. Yeah, see, I want it to be bold. It's defaulted. It remembers. Header, and then the labels, we'll go with circle for now. And hit OK. Oh, and it's Z01. I don't care for that. I want it to be R for roof. And we don't need the... There we go. So this is what it gives you out of the box. Which is weird. Why would it have a quantity of 4? It's calling all of these R1, 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 R1. Okay, weird. Let's come back and when I look down there, so number is the ID. So let's rename that ID. Hit OK. Label, I don't need. I don't need floor, and I don't need description. Quantity, I need. Pitch, I need. Area projected is, I finally found it. I tried them all. I'll show you that right now. And then roof surface is what I need. And we can rename these. You saw how I did that. So like I could go rename plane area. And then I could do, we know we're talking about the roof, so we can just get rid of the roof part. Boom. Oh, now I should be able to do total rows. Yeah, right here. See that? So here's what I did. This roof plane, this plane right here that's highlighted, is this one up here. I just traced it out with a polyline, drug it up here, and then inside of this text is area, and then dot round with 2, so there's 2 decimal places, and then I put on the letter SF. And then what that does is give me the area of this part of the roof square foot. Now, I just realized something. That's a flat area. That's not a true area. Okay, so let's go back here then. It's going to be bigger than this. It's going to be the bigger value. It's going to be this one. I just have a feeling. Yeah, see, it's 126. So let's just do this the easy way. We're going to change these to gables. And I have auto rebuild roof on. So now I should have R1 and R1. And let's make this span something like easy to do. Why is it in inches? That's different. So let's go 240. Because that would be, what, 20 feet? And we'll make this one 360. And then we'll move some of this stuff. Yeah, this is going to really be cool. So here, I'll show you how I did this before. I went out here to the outside of that, to the outside of that. See if I can grab just that polyline, CAD default polyline. Drag it up here. So that's in flat view. And I'm going to copy and place, and over here. So let's do the same exact thing. Fill at 6. And then I did rich text, centered. And then I did this. Area.round to, oh, hang on, SF. And then it gives me that, which is really small. That needs to be like 6. Come on. This needs to be 6. And I'm going to center it here and center it here. Man, something's bugging me. Go here, drag that down. And then I'm going to hide this, send it to back so that I just see that. And that is, that's horizontally the area, so I was wrong. This is area, how do I make this? HZ maybe? Because, and I'm going to draw this so that it makes sense to everybody. The actual length of the roofing material is going to be dimension. It says 136. Let's make sure. Yep. Okay. Boy, that's some tiny. Let's fix that. Let's. Oh yeah, I can't. If I have to do these manually. I've got other stuff drawn on here at different dimension scales. So if I globally change that, it's going to change a lot of things. So we'll just do this independently. 4.5 with an arrow of 4. Why is it light blue? Man, I'm telling you. So I've carried over many different people's templates. And some of them, I don't know, some of them drive me nuts. I need to just highlight this whole thing and just turn them all black and just see what that does. Okay. So 136. So watch this. We're going to draw a line. Let me just hit the L button and start drawing a line. Tab 136, enter. And then I'm going to draw a line down, tab 8, and draw a line over tab 12, and then draw a line to the top of this, and then I'm going to draw like this and do disconnect that line, disconnect this line, and use this and extend and this, and then I'm going to just bring that up to here, and it's disconnected. Let's disconnect all these and get rid of them now. Delete that, delete this. Trim this. And then we can do point-to-point dimension, or dimension point-to-point. And it should be 163 and 7/16. So let's go see what's over here. Oh, duh. So it's going to be that length times this width. Okay. And I think I have, I wonder if I have that. Let's do Construction Master. What would it be called? I know I have this. I have this app. Let me go see. There it is, CM Pro. Okay, what I should have done. Okay, welcome. So we're going to go 392 inch times 163 inch 7/16 equals, convert to feet, 444.9132. So let's see. Do we have that? No. Wonder what one it would be. Is that correct? Is there a way to copy this? What does this do? Well, I don't know. Boy, that took a while. I'm going to write this down real quick. Oh, you know what? I have a really cool app for this. It almost feels like cheating. Copy to clipboard, and then I'm going to do so we're going to save that number. And actually I could do it mechanically. I wouldn't need a calculator. 163 and 7/16. 163 and 7/16, enter. And then take this, copy, paste, take the arrow, Yep, boom. Okay, so that's the size. And let's just confirm what we're doing down here for max overhang. Where's this? Right here. So this should be 120. I'm not used to working in inches. I don't know why I have this set to inches. It's very strange. Okay, so there's dimension point to point. So this is the outside of your overhang, and here is the center, the half span. And when you would calculate your rafters, you take half the ridge off. But I like this number. So that's kind of odd, because then that means this is correct. I'm going to do that. Don't mind the chair. I'm waiting for it to collapse. And then send this to back. Okay, so that's uniform looking. That's the real roof on an 8 and 12 angle. This is looking straight down, so this would be the run of the roof. So now we're just going to load up all the different options. We got framing, we got overhang. Come on, I know I hit, there you go, projected overhang, surface. Okay, let's see which one's the most right. Oh, surface. Surface is what we want. Yes. Okay, that's good. Now I know. So I don't need that. Roof surface is what it's made out of. So I don't need any of these. Boom, 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 boom. So R2, well, R2 and R1. Yeah, this needs to be, that's wrong. It needs to be area surface, add. Okay, perfect. So it's either R1 or R2. We'll get rid of this one because I don't need this one anymore. Delete. Oops. Shortcut key for the wrong thing. Delete. All right. Now we know. It's area surface. So there you go. Took a little while to get there, but we're here. And if you like your door labels and window labels to be like this, reach out to, there's a gentleman you can find on Chief Talk, and his name on Chief Talk is Alaskan Sun. His first name is Michael, and you can email him, and he will build you a macro that will do this. Because when I was a framer, this is the way it was always. You don't want people saying, oh, it's 50 inches by 40 inches. No, it's feet and inches. And the other thing, it's always the width first and then the height. So if you're sending off information to a window or door vendor, always remember you give them the width and then you give them the height. If you do it any other way, you're going to have doors or windows that are wrong. And the other thing is, this is hinge. So I found this, I used Alaskan Sun's macro for this. And then after that, I added the hinge side, and it'll read hinge side. And it also, this is what's really cool. If you're going to use a sliding door, sliding doors are read from the outside in according to what it was, Wikipedia or something. I can't remember. And so this door goes from left to right. You know what? I have that text somewhere. I wrote that down. Let me get back with you on that. But anyway, so you can actually order the door correctly because you're as viewed from outside. Like this door here looks like it goes from left to right from the outside. But now that I'm looking at it, I'm not 100% sure. So I'll get back with you on that. All right. Thanks for watching.